Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a spend the day with me as I am showing you guys a 7 a.m. day in my life routine of what I normally do. Sometimes in the morning I'm greeted by the person who always needs a hug or a kiss from me. I eventually need to get up, brush my teeth, get ready to open up these blinds. It is almost 7 o'clock in the morning and I am up. After brushing my teeth in the morning, I like to get up and create shorts and just set them to the side to go out and show and share things with you all. I'm just enjoying the morning lighting in my house, which is not all that great just yet because the sun is not fully out, but I do want to go into my skincare routine for the morning. I do love to use Clean and Clear. As you guys can see, I have the morning Clean and Clear, the nighttime blackhead removal. I also like to use charcoal. The Morning Burst has little bursting pieces in it that are really great, and the smell is great as well. I also like to use the blackhead eraser just in case any blackheads want to try to pop up. I want to just pop them. And like I said, I like
last
to use
but not
charcoal.
least, the charcoal.
I wanted to wet my face just to kind of get that charcoal onto my skin. It felt so good because charcoal is one of my favorite things to use on my face. There's a lot of different things that I don't like to use on my face just due to having sensitive skin.
So the last thing I'm going to do is apply this serum right here. So it has no smell to it. It's just something that I want to put on. My skin is so sensitive to everything that over the years, it's definitely looked better than ever before. I have no idea what I'm doing differently. Maybe washing in the morning and at night. So when I do the nightly Clean and Clear, I do it in the shower. In the morning, I do it before I get ready for work. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to put away some laundry. It's no telling what I'm going to wake up and do on a normal, typical day, but mostly my summer days are spent the same by just clearly waking up, washing my face, putting away laundry if I need to, cleaning something, let's just say, and of course, it's time to eat a good, healthy breakfast. Normally, I am rushing myself throughout the year to get breakfast in as I am on the go and have to be at work by 7:30. So it's really good that I can like push my breakfast back to kind of give me a type of schedule that I can put myself on when going back to work to kind of not feel rushed or anything like that. So I'm going to be making me a breakfast bowl this morning, Acai Smoothie bowl. I'm going to try to get it as thick as I can. I do not like it thin and runny, but I will share these tips here that are going to help you guys if you do buy the Sambazon packet of the acai superfruit packets. It comes with a total of 4 packets. You can use these to make smoothies. You also can use them to make smoothie bowls. So I thought I'd have a healthy breakfast this morning. This is the acai superfruit pack. It's the original blend. It comes with 4 packs. 4 packs, which has 2
smoothie packs in a pack just to show you guys. So what you want to do with this is slightly thaw this at room temperature or soak under warm water for 1 to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and get that blender ready and together to add in the stuff towards the end. Tip number 1 is to add in a frozen banana. My daughter accidentally ripped the top yesterday, so I'll put it in here just like this. It should still be good. Okay, so because she froze it, I had to end up just like slicing off the outsides. So this is my first time officially having something with almond butter, and it's honestly good. To show you guys the consistency of my smoothie bowl, literally it's not runny, it's thick like I like it. As I'm eating my smoothie bowl, I decided to go ahead and do like some thinking, some jotting down of ideas for my channel, videos, and things like that, things that I need to get done. I also was creating a grocery list and stuff like that, so you guys will see that in another video. I then needed to take my goli gummies. These two are the main ones that I take every day. I do add in some of the other ones. Y'all, let me just say that goli is amazing. If you made it this far in the video, it is pouring down raining. I went out and got some lunch from Zaxby's, so I did get a vanilla cream soda as well as some fried cheese bites and a good old salad. So now I'm going to be able to sit back and relax and edit thumbnails. I hope that you all enjoyed this spend the day with me 7 a.m. morning routine in my life. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing down below, and also check out A Million Little Things on Hulu. Such a great show. Bye.